Om Gururam Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear third class students, we will discuss about time. From your course book, volume 2, page number 17. Page number 17. Volume 2, course book. See here, 7 days of a week. Seven days of a week. There are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. A week starts with Sunday and ends with Saturday. See here. There are 7 days in a week. A week starts with Sunday and ends with Saturday. Saturday. See here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. See here, each day starts at midnight 12 o'clock at night and ends next midnight. Each day starts at midnight 12 o'clock. Midnight 12 o'clock. Midnight 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock means at night. Night 12 o'clock is known as midnight. Hence, at next midnight. Next midnight. So 7 days together make a week. 7 days together make a week. A week can be any period of 7 days. A week can be any period of 7 days. See here, listen carefully. Veena went on a tour to Tamil Nadu with her parents. They started from Vijayawada on Sunday. They started from Vijayawada on Sunday. The first day of the week, they reached Chennai. First day of the week. First day of the week means Sunday. First day of the week. See, they started from Vijayawada on Sunday. So Sunday road start ayyaru. The first day of the week. The first day of the week, they reached Chennai. They reached Chennai the next morning. Next morning means Monday. They reached Chennai the next morning. Means Monday. They stayed there for 2 days. 2 days means Sunday and Monday, and visited the famous temples, the Marina Beach, and other important places in Chennai. So, Chennai, Sunday and Monday and Tuesday, 2 days. On Wednesday, started from Chennai, reached the Kanyakumari next day. Kanyakumari. Next day means on Wednesday they started from Chennai. See, Monday, Tuesday, on Wednesday they started from Chennai. Chennai నుండి start చేశారు and reached Kanyakumari next day means Thursday. Yeah, Monday reach అవుతే Tuesday, Wednesday. See here, that day which was a Thursday, they saw the sunset in the Indian Ocean. Sunset ఎలా అవుతుందో ఇండియన్ ఓషన్ దగ్గర చూశారు. The next day they went to Vivekananda Rock Memorial and started their return journey and reached Vijayawada Sunday morning. Means here next day they went to Vivekananda Rock. Next day means here Friday. Next day means Friday. So next day they went to Vivekananda Rock Memorial and started their return journey and reached Vijayawada Sunday morning. See here, Veena narrated the experience to her friends in the school. On which day did you arrive at Chennai? Asked Veena's friend. So Monday, replied Veena. Ero చేరుకున్నారు బేట Monday. On which day did you leave to Kanyakumari from Chennai? Asked her friends. We started from Chennai on Wednesday, said Veena. మరి ఎప్పటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేశారు వాళ్ళు? చెన్నై నుండి వెన్స్డే రోజు స్టార్ట్ చేశారు కాబట్టి సెడ్ Veena, that is on Wednesday. Next, then she explained to them about the beautiful temples, beaches and the sunset. Her friends were also excited about Veena's trip. Next, the calendar. See here, calendar. A calendar shows the days, weeks and months of a year. A calendar shows the days, weeks and months of a year. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months. How many months are there in 1 year? 12 months. See, months here: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Observe the calendar. January has 31 days, February has 28 days, March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August also 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days, December 31 days. The months April, June, September and November have 30 days. See here, the months April, June, September, and November. I have 30 days data. Remember it. The months April, June, September and November have 30 days. Next, the months January, March, May, July, August, October and December. I have 31 days. Next, February is the only month with 28 days. It has 29 days in a leap year, which comes once every 4 years. See here, February is the only month with 28 days. It has 29 days in a leap year. Leap year which comes once every 4 years. లీప్ ఇయర్ అనేది ఎవ్రీ 4 years ఒకసారి వస్తుంది. See here, next, a normal year has 365 days. Days, whereas a leap year is 366 days. See here, a normal has 365 days beta, but whereas a leap year has 363 days. Here, February has 29 days in a leap year. Next, the days from 1st January to 31st January, 1st January to 31st December. 31st December of a year is called a calendar year. Calendar year. The days from 1st January to 31st December of a year is called a calendar year. See here, answer the following questions based on the calendar given in the previous page. Which months in above calendar are starting on Friday? So June, write down everybody. First answer, ఫ్రైడే రోజు స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేటువంటి మంత్స్ ఏవి? సి హియర్, జనవరి నో, ఫిబ్రవరి నో, మార్చ్ నో, స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ థర్స్డే, ఏప్రిల్ సండే, మే ట్యూస్డే, జూన్ ఫ్రైడే. జూన్, which months in the above calendar are starting on Friday? See here. Only June beta. Next, how many Mondays are there in the month of May? Month of May, how many Mondays are there? See here, in the month of May, see here, 7th, 14th, 21st, 28th. So, 4 Mondays. Second one is 4. Now third one, how many Sundays are there in the month of December? How many Mondays are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many Sundays are there in the month of December? 5 Sundays. Next, fourth one, which day have occurred for 5 times in the month of October? See, once check it, October month, which day have occurred for 5 times in the month of October? Which days? October. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Write down. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Next, fifth one, Rohan's birthday comes in February. Rahul's birthday comes in August every year. How many months should Rahul wait for his birthday after celebrating Rohan's birthday? See here, Rohan's birthday comes in February and Rahul's birthday comes in August every year. How many months should Rahul wait for his birthday after celebrating Rohan's birthday? So February after, March, April, May, June, July. Okay, see how many months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. Write down better. Now next, name the days which occur 4 times in the month of March. See here, name the days which occur 4 times in the month of March. March lo chudandi 4 times vachinayi chudandi, emem unnaya? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Write down. Sixth one. Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Okay? Write down everybody. Next, everybody take your activity book. So everybody open activity book. Volume 2 activity book. So time. Page number 14. See, which activity takes more time to tick? So here traveling. Next here cricket. Here so cup of coffee. Here watching cinema ticket. Next here bathing. Next here aeroplane, traveling in aeroplane. Which activity takes more time? Here baby, here boy. Next, note down the time on each clock. So first one is 8:20, 8 hours 20 minutes. Next, the hours hand lies between 12 and 1. 12, the minutes hand where moves number 3 means 15 minutes. 12:15. Next 11:05. 11:05 means you can write 11. 5 minutes means 05. Next here the hour sign lies between 8 and 9. 8:50. So 10 is multiplied by 5. You can get 8:50. Now next here 1:20. 1 hour 20 minutes. Next here the hours hand lies between 2 and 3 means 2:45. 2 hours 45 minutes. That's it. Okay. Today class is completed. Thank you to all. Bye.